If you work in Blender and you've ever needed to select a bunch of objects that are similar, related, or connected without manually clicking every single one, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to select similar objects in Blender using two super useful shortcuts. And by the end, you'll know exactly when to use each one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the Select Similar menu, and this is one of the most powerful tools in Blender for grouping objects based on shared properties. To start, you need to select one base object first. This is the object that has the same kind of properties as the others you want to find. For example, if you want to select all the text objects in your scene, start by clicking one text object. If you want all meshes, click one mesh object. If you want lights, select one light. The key is to choose the object that represents the group you want to target. Once your base object is selected, press Shift+G on your keyboard. This opens the Select Similar menu. Blender will now show you a list of different criteria you can use to find matching objects. One of the most common options is Type. If you choose Type, Blender will select all other objects that match the same object type as your active object. So if you selected a mesh object, Blender will grab all mesh objects. If you selected a text object, it will grab all text objects. This is really useful when your scene contains lots of different kinds of objects and you only want one category. Another useful option in the Select Similar menu is Collection. This one selects everything in the same collection as your active object. In Blender, a collection is basically like a folder or group for organizing objects. So if you have a setup where your assets are arranged into collections, this makes it easy to grab all related items at once. Just remember that the exact results depend on which base object you selected first, because Blender uses that active object as the reference. Now let's move to the second method, which is the Select Linked menu. This one is best when you want to find objects that are mathematically connected or linked through their data. To use it, first select your master object, then press Shift+L. This opens the Select Linked options. Here, you can choose things like object data or material, depending on what you want Blender to match. If you choose object data, Blender will select objects that share the same underlying geometry data. This is very useful in situations where you've duplicated an object in a linked way, or when you want to select all objects that are using the same mesh data. If you choose material, Blender will select objects that share the same material. This is extremely helpful when you want to update, inspect, or organize objects by surface style rather than shape. So if several objects are using the same material, Select Linked can help you isolate them instantly. A good way to remember the difference is this. Select Similar is more about shared characteristics, like type or collection, while Select Linked is more about shared data, like object data or material. So if you're organizing a scene, Select Similar is great for broad grouping, and Select Linked is great for more specific, technical selection. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're working on a scene full of props, lights, and text. If you want every mesh object, use Select Similar and choose Type. If you want all objects from one collection, use Select Similar and choose Collection. But if you want every object using the same material or every object with the same geometry data, use Select Linked instead. That small difference can save you a lot of time, especially in larger Blender projects. The biggest advantage of learning these selection tools is speed. Instead of manually hunting through the scene and shift-clicking object after object, you can select one item and let Blender do the rest. That means faster cleanup, faster editing, and a much smoother workflow overall. Once you get comfortable with these shortcuts, they'll become part of your everyday Blender routine. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tips, beginner guides, and workflow tricks. It really helps support the channel and lets me know to make more videos like this. So to recap, use Shift+G for Select Similar when you want to match things like type or collection, and use Shift+L for Select Linked when you want to select objects by shared object data or material. That's the fastest way to select similar objects in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.